I want to show you in this video how you take the year 5775. Israel is this year, which means hey, Zayin, Zayin, hey. How do you write it? 775 is no other than 5775. Numbers and letters is hey, Zayin, Zayin, hey. When multiplying 5775 with the year Jesus was crucified, 3793, come back with the number. It's one of the multiplying it to one of his laws of denominations. Come back with the number 168, which is no other than the hexadecimal for the year 5775. Multiplying 5775 on the year Jesus crucified, 1982 years prior to that, according to the Hebrew unisolar calendar, it's year 3793. They give you back a number 694575. Still shows the 75 or the 57, which is the year 5775. But taking that number 6 times 9 times 4 will give you the 216, like the clock, the 12 and the 6 down the middle. You're multiplying 5, 7, the other end will clearly get you back to 5775, or 67 years after they became a nation. But clearly, just like I wanted to show you, multiplying, adding the other 5 in the answer, you come back with a number 37800. Multiplying that to its lowest denomination, 3 times 7, 21, times 8, times 0. I believe it was another 0. Bring you back to the number 168. 168 is nothing but the hexadecimal number for the year 5775, which is in reverse of that number. It's no other than 8, 6, and 1. 86 is Elohim, the Creator. And if you take 6 and you turn upside down, that's the 9. We're taking this number 1, 8, taking the number 168, which one multiplied? 1 times 6, and 6 times 8 multiplied is 48. Okay. So let me show you something unique here. I'm going to turn the 6 and 168 upside down and add the 48. Turn the 6 upside down to be a 9, add the 8, and show you the 48. You can make out 1948 Hebrew when Israel became a nation. So that number 1, 6, 8 or multiplied shows you 48. And if you reverse the 9 upside down, it show you when Israel became a nation, which is 1, 9, 8, add in the 48. 1948. And the 88 you see in there is no other than the name Jesus in Greek, which is Iesous. See, multiplying Jesus in Greek, you make out 2015, and you make out 5775. And you can also make out the first verse in the Bible, 2701. But then furthermore, calculating it, excuse me, a mistake there, I'm sorry. Iesous. Iesous. You get to the 2 and the U. You can make out 2015, 2015. It was Iesous. You add in the 1. And then multiplying the S. You can make out a cross, 5775. The year for Israel this year, 2015. Inside the name Jesus in Greek. And clearly, just like when you show that other number, IES. See, when you get to the S, you get to 33. Jesus in Greek shows the year Jesus was crucified, 33 AD. And you can make out the 5 and 13 and 31. The factor for the year 2015. 5, 13, 31. Brings you to the year 2015. Clearly IES. Takes you to 1948. Adding the name Jesus in Greek shows you the year Israel became a nation. 1948. And prior to 1948, 1015 years prior to that, Jesus was crucified. And this year, IESO, in 2015, see 2015, Jesus will, 2015, return and judge Israel and the nations. IESOU. See the 6 and the 9? You just want to cross between the 6th and the 9th hour. I'm just looking at the year 2015, the same vengeance. He's coming with a vengeance for how they crucified him 1,915 years. prior to him becoming a nation in 1948. And he was on the cross between the 6th and 9th hour. And you see the 215 also associated to the year 2015. So Iesous. See, that's the 70 weeks prophecy. The 70 years and 70 weeks. That's no more than 2015. Iesous. Added a 9. See, Jesus is the 88. And great. Clearly 1,982 years ago. Taking the name Jesus, multiplying it. Iesous shows you. The addition to Jesus shows you how many years it's been since he was crucified. Since 5775. And Jesus this year and will appear 5775 for Israel. 2015 in the Gregorian calendar. It's been right in the middle. You see 1,915 years prior to Israel becoming a nation. 77, which is Christ, will appear. In 57, so that 75, Christ will appear. Removing it 20, you see it would be the year 5775, found inside the name Christ. Bless, God bless, God bless.